Welcome to this how-to video. How to stuck and unstick a speargun shaft.
Oh my god, you've got serious expectations.
It is quite common to have a stuck speargun shaft after a shot. Some spearfishing knives have a tool integrated for this purpose. It is a slot where the shaft end fits and you can use the knife to pull the shaft out. Just rotate the shaft and pull. Simple.
First of all, do not shoot if there is something behind your target.
Oh my god, you've got serious expectations.
You will get a blunt tip or get stuck. Having a reel mounted on the speargun would be helpful when the spear is stuck. Then you can get back to the surface without having to leave the speargun. If you lack the skills to use the shaft removal tool, then just pull the shaft free. Simple.